Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in. So, a little update on the 70 Plymouth Roadrunner for the Usacc build. I had the body prepped and it's sanded out some of the joint lines that, was part of the mold process, and took care of some of that, make it look nice and party. So that's getting ready to paint, getting in its color. I'd like to get the color on it now so I'm doing enamel, so I want it to cure a little bit because it's going to be two-tone, so I want to make sure that the two colors blend nice. Other than that, I got the chassis altered a little bit. I'm putting different tires on it, different wheels and tires on this. I'm putting NASCAR tires out of a Mark Martin kit from Revell. So that's a 1/24 scale kit, so the tires they match pretty good. I don't think Mr. Martin's car is going to get built anytime soon, so I figured, steal the wheels and tires out of it. They look pretty good. Other than that, that's about it on that for now. And my Grand National is coming along very nicely. The body's pretty much done, other than putting the glass in it and then the rear bumper. Got the interior done and got a few other trinkets done with it. I wired the engine up, made it look pretty. I'm using this wire for spark plugs out of this. I can't remember who sells it. You get this little detailing pack, and I don't know, I see a lot of guys using a vinyl wire, and I got to look into that because this wire here is it's actually almost like just regular wire, and it's painted. And of course I ran out of it. I had a couple wires to go into, so I had some brass wire here, and it operates about the same way. So I put some of that on it and painted it kind of red, the same color as the wires, just to make it match. So I have a little copper showing. I got touched up yet, but I'll do that before I set the body on. So other than that, let me take you over to the bench and I'll show you what we got. All right, guys, so we got the Plymouth sanded down and primered. Like I say, this kit has some really good mold lines right here in it, which I'm sure you guys working on these, you probably noticed that. So that's all ready to go. And my chassis is modified for a little bit wider tire. So that's all cut out and ready to go. Got that painted. So I'm running with these tires here. These are the wheels and tires that's going to go on my kit. And it doesn't want to come into focus because it's awesome like that. There we go. Yeah, so that's what we're going to run on this. And I got these to where they got them cut in nice, so they'll fit nicely right inside there. So they look pretty good. So we'll get them sanded down, cleaned up, and looking pretty good. So that's that so far. Other than that, let's see the Buick. This is the interior, or I'm sorry, this is the engine. So like I say, I did some wiring on it, wired the coil up. Doesn't look too bad so far. Left the chromey transpan on it. Usually paint those, but I thought, well, we'll give her a little custom touch on it. So yeah, let's come along pretty good, And we got the rims all detailed and ready to go. Like I say, I'm just not crazy about these tires. They almost seem just a little too thin, you know what I mean? It's like some of these model kits, they just give you too thin of a tire. Crazy stuff, crazy. Got the interior wrapped up. I thought that turned out pretty decent. Got the little decals on the headrest. Dash all squared away. I think my tilt wheel's too far down. I don't think you'd be able to slide under it. Got our third brake light. So when I was doing these seats, because I'm always just rushing around getting things done, I didn't realize in the decal sheet they give you the silver for the seat. I saw these on there, I'm thinking, what the heck's those for? And when I was putting it together, they give you the silver for the door panel. So right in here and in here, that was a decal that you could put on there. I thought, oh, and they give you the decal for the seat. But no, I went the hard way and painted it and masked it off. But this way I know it matches better because this silver is just a little off from what I put in. So either way, so I should have read the instructions a little more, but you know, who goes to the instructions till things go absolutely wrong? But that's where we end up with that. So here's the body. Like I said, it's turning out pretty cool. And I like the grill on. The grill turned out really nice. Let's set this over here. The grill turned out really nice in that. So yeah. So that's that so far. So I got the decals on it. Wiped her down a little bit. The old black shows just everything imaginable on it. I didn't really like the way that nose piece fit on there. You had to do some altercations to make that thing fit. So I could imagine doing that on the car, you know, when it was assembled. So yes, sir. So that's that so far. Other than that, trying to get the rear bumpers together and putting some bare metal foil inside the taillights, just because on that black you're just not going to see it. So like I say, guys, just a quick video just to show you some of the update where we're at on things. And like I say, we'll get that we got our hood decaled there too. Forgot about that sitting there. So yeah, so we got some update on the Plymouth here, and I'm hoping to shoot that maybe tonight, maybe tomorrow, not sure, and go from there. So I'll have some videos posted on that once that starts progressing a little better. And I might have this wrapped up tonight yet, I'm not sure. I gotta see what's going on. So other than that, guys, we're gonna close this video down and go from there. So once again, I appreciate you guys tuning in, and thanks for watching Craig's Corner. We will see you guys later on. Have a good one.